Imagine you're a planner responsible for managing inventory for a complex maintenance, repair, and operations organization. You have just run the SAP IBP MRO inventory planning operator, and you're now working on validating the results. This validation is important to build trust in the safety stock, reorder point, target inventory position, and maximum inventory, parameters that keep MRO organizations run efficiently. In this phase, planners need to assess input factors like service level, lead time, and part demand, which today often requires switching between multiple windows, profiles, inputs, and settings. With the 2602 release, we introduce AI-assisted MRO inventory analysis, which streamlines this process and helps planners gain trust in their optimized results, increasing adoption. With a simple right-click in either the Planner Workspace or the SAP IBP add-in for Microsoft Excel, planners can now access the analysis and accept the results in a single action. AI-assisted MRO inventory analysis provides planners with a summary of the results, together with an MRO-specific analysis that accounts for all factors that go into the planning run. The summary and analysis explain the outcomes in the language of the business user and provide the insights required to operate a fast-moving maintenance supply chain. Planners also have direct access to all relevant settings and inputs within one view, which reduces fact-finding missions and allows them to focus on what's important, helping their organizations run efficiently. With AI-assisted MRO inventory analysis, planners gain instant insights into optimized inventory results, reducing guesswork and analysis time. Thank you for watching.